Okay, so my name is Daniel Tuma. I come from Prague. Uh, I'm a founder of my private business school. Its name is Made in Czechoslovakia because I was made in Czechoslovakia in 1979. So we operate in both regions, in Czech Republic and also in Slovakia. I'm a founder of my own MBA program, which is focused on applied psychology and management. And we also have like 1 year courses, which we call open management. And both these courses are focused on management relationship, psychopathology in the workplace, psychosocial risks, and also mainly development of emotional intelligence. So I really enjoyed today's networking because I met new people around the whole Europe. We spoke about psychology, we spoke about business, we spoke about different programs and implementing new things. And thank you very much, guys. It was very nice.